Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and this one is finally my Adidas mini haul. I've been waiting to open up this package forever because of you guys. Like, I just wanted to wait. I have this box. It's been delivered like 2 weeks ago, and I've been waiting for you guys because I'm loyal. I wanted you guys to see my initial reaction. The time is here. The time is now. The time is here and right now. Here's the box. Alright, it came like this. Pretty well made. Alright, you feel me? I'm taking my little hair cutting shears. Alright, and and I'm just gonna cut the box open. I'm so excited. Like, I'm really so excited. Because if you know me, I love Adidas. I think their shoes are so comfortable. Like, they're the best shoes. So, shoes is right on top. You feel me? The shoes is right here on top. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, I don't know which shoes are in this box. These are the ARKYN. The ARKYNs? I don't know how to pronounce it. You know, go in the comment section and tell me how to really pronounce it, because I don't be knowing. Can we just take a moment aside? Because I know these are gonna be so comfortable. Like, these are gonna be the most comfortable shoes. Look at these shoes. They're mad bright. Look at the support. You feel me? This is what I need in my life. I'm always running around. Like, these are gonna do it. And they are like a sock like material at the top, so keep that in mind. If you don't like that, then don't get these shoes, you feel me? But I like that, and these are gonna be fire. Like, what? These are really nice, bro. So I got these. I'm gonna show you guys in a little video of me trying them on so you can see what they look like on my actual feet. But I'm feeling this color, you know, because this could be a good pop of color in an outfit. Like, if I do jean on jean on jean, which I love to do, I could throw this on and be like, boom, look at my shoes, you feel me? Look at my shoes. Moving on. These are my like fake Balenciaga shoes. Like, I've been loving the sock Balenciaga shoes, but I'm balling on a budget. I can't get them, so I did see these shoes that remind me of them, and I'm so happy. Like, look at these shoes. Like, what? No, this is really too fire. These might have to be my go-to slip-on shoes for the whole fall. Like, this is what's happening. And I like the fact that it has a little beige inside, so it's different. And I could just spice up my outfits with this. I could just pull up with these, like, boom, like, boom. These is cute. This is real cute. These are real cute. Again, these are like a sock-like material, so if you're looking for something that's not sock-like, don't get these. But these are fire. These are, I feel like, a good version of like sock shoes because I can just put them on. They're black. The beige, I feel like this would go with anything that I want to wear. Like, I could wear this with a lot of greens, oranges, which is what I'm going to be doing for the fall. So yes, thank you. Thank you, Adidas. Thank you. Alright, and when I got these shoes and I got this stuff in the box, I do want to let you know I got them on sale. They had like a 40% sale, and my best friend texted me and was like, Danita, there's 40% off at the Adidas online. I was like, she lying. And I checked, and it's 40% off and free shipping, so I was on that. Shout out to Natika. She's the real MVP, because when she texted me that, I was like, but nah, the deals was fire. So of course I had to get the ARKYNs in another color. I love lime green. Lime green just like gives me another element, another dimension to my outfits. Like, if I throw on some lime green shoes, I just feel like it goes straight to the shoes. Like, people's eyes, they look at me and they're like, look at them shoes. Like, okay, you know. And these shoes, they made up to expectations, you feel me? Like, they look like they're super comfy. This feels so cool. Like, I wish you guys could feel it, because this feels like, I don't know, like, this feels like clouds or something. Like, I just love the way it feels, and I know this is gonna be so comfortable to have on my feet. So shout out to Adidas. Look at that. Like, okay, like, and I like the two stripes. So just to compare for you guys, the lime ones have a little stripe on them, so they have the 3 stripes on it, but these are under different names. So they're both ARKYNs, but one of them is a different name than this, because I think this is just has all netting at the top. Like, this is all knit, and it doesn't have the 3 stripes on it on the side. So that's the difference that you can see from this to this, which I like the 3 stripes. I think this is dope, but I also can see me wearing these and these being super comfortable. Like they are almost exactly the same. They're both size 9. All right, I got the other one, the black one, in a size Bigfoot, you feel me? Because I got them, nah, I'm just kidding. I got them in a size 7.5 in men, because these are actually men's shoes. And I don't know why they don't have these for women. Like, come on, Adidas, these are bomb. Like, women want to wear these too. Women want to wear these. I think they have them in women's, but they don't have this select style. And like, come on, this beige, this is fire. We need them in women's Adidas. We need them in women. Moving on. Nah, guys, I'm really so excited. This is mad cute. What? I did get a rain jacket. All right, let me just put it up so you guys can see. I am gonna try this on for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like on me. It does have a really nice detail. Like, it has like roses within it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I will make sure that you guys can see the details in the video that I'm gonna post. Ooh. This is really nice. I did get this in a size large, and guys, this does not look large. This does not look large, so keep that in mind. I don't believe. I don't know. I mean, but then again, I'm a medium, like a schmedium, schmarge. Like, I just mix together all the sizes. Like, some stuff I'm a small in, some stuff I'm a medium in, and some stuff I can actually fit a small. I mean, I can actually fit a large. This is what I really been waiting for, because these always have my booty looking fire, flames. Like, so I got the typical 3-stripe Adidas leggings. I did get gray. I personally feel like gray makes your booty look better than if you had black. These are fire, guys. Like, look at this. All right, these Adidas leggings are so cozy. I did get them in a size medium. It's like, I got them in a size medium, and I know that these are gonna make my butt look nice. Like, when I feel like it's gray, it just makes your butt look more plump than if it was black, because I feel like black kind of hides my figure more, and I want to look slim thick. So why would I wear black when I can wear gray? You feel me? Because this is gonna look nice. Oh, let me show you this other Adidas thing that I got that I'm definitely gonna pull up with this. I did get my Adidas fanny pack. Like, I've been wanting this for mad long, and it's so cute on. This is bomb. Make sure you get this. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on me. And if you got a little like front pouch in the front that you don't want anyone to see, like your belly's a little bit bloated or whatever in the front, you could put this little fanny pack on. What? Hidden. It sits right here on my waist. You can tighten it. It has straps to tighten it. But guys, Adidas is the real MVP. Do not sleep on them. Like, alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. Let me know if you're gonna purchase these items. Just let me know. I want to know all the stuff. I want to know everything. Put it in the box below. Thank you guys for following me. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being supportive, because